In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add services to your Facebook business page. Adding services to your page helps visitors quickly understand what you offer, and it can boost trust and conversions by making key details easy to find. We'll walk through the process step by step, and I'll share a few tips to keep everything clear and professional. First, go to your Facebook business page. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page so you have the right permissions to make changes. I recommend using a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, since the layout is more consistent and everything is easy to see at a glance. Once you're on your page, look for the About section. You'll find it just below your profile picture or in the left-hand menu, depending on your page layout. Click About to open the page details. This is where basic information about your business lives, and it's where we'll add your services. Now, scroll down to the area labeled Basic Info. This section contains your core business details, and it's where Facebook gives you options to showcase what you do. Next, click Add Specialties and Services. On some page templates, this may appear as Services or Specialties and Services, but it leads to the same place. This opens a panel where you can choose from predefined options so that visitors instantly see the value you provide. Select the services you offer, such as delivery. Pick only what truly reflects your business to keep things accurate and helpful. If you see options for things like pickup, online appointments, consultations, or estimates, select those that match your operations. Some pages may allow short descriptions for each service. If that field appears, keep your wording clear, concise, and customer-friendly. Think about the terms your customers use and focus on benefits, like speed, convenience, or expertise. You can update these choices anytime as your offerings evolve. When you're done selecting, click Save. Give it a moment to process. Saving confirms your changes and adds the services to your business profile. From here, your services will be visible on your page for visitors. They'll typically appear in a Services or About section, making it simple for people to see how you can help them at a glance. Keeping this area accurate and up-to-date is a quick way to improve your page's professionalism and make it easier for potential customers to take the next step. If your offerings change seasonally or expand over time, revisit this area and refresh your selections so your page always reflects your latest services.